Hello guys, hope that you all are fine. So in this video we are going to analyze or we are going to see some of these expert advisors and their actual reality, and should we buy them, should we waste too much money on these expert advisors or not. That's the most important and burning question. So first of all, let me introduce myself. I am a VSA trader, and these are my few trades. You can see here I have converted 5k into 181k in just 4 to 7 months, and even I don't trade regularly. Gold has gone up to this much, and all these trades you can see. So when I started this account, I told everybody that I am going to convert this 5k into this much. You can confirm it by going into live of my YouTube channel. So no one believed that, and nobody even was interested. But when I did that, now everybody is joining me, everybody is joining our community and all those stuffs, because this achievement itself is a huge, and nobody can achieve this much in very less time. Each trade was protected by SL. Each trade have proper reasons to open. But now I am again telling you that I am going to convert $100 into $1 million. Yes, I am going to do this, and as I have achieved this much growth, again I can do this type of challenge. Of course, it's possible, everything is possible, and I am a Udemy instructor. I have a developing experience of 10 years, and I have multiple courses on Udemy, and I will do this with algorithmic trading or bot trading. So as you are seeing these things, all these expert advisors are fake or martingale grid systems. All these are just a crap and shit. If anything is working, that will be not sold to you. All these are the grid systems, and they all have martingale systems, and eventually after 2 or 3 months it will blow your account. So don't waste too much money on these. I have tested more than thousands of expert advisors. I have built more than 300 to 400 expert advisors. So these all are my expert advisors, and I have sell none of them. Okay, so as I have a lot of experience in developing, I am going to do this challenge of $100 into 1 million. Of course some people will not believe, and of course it's not that much easy, but as I have achieved that, I will achieve this. But when I will achieve, everybody will come, and of course that time will pass, and if that time will pass, nobody can join that. So this is the chance. Everybody has to take risk in their life. So take a risk, and this risk will definitely rewards you. So what I am doing, or what I am going to do, of course I cannot give you copy signal service, but I have few copies, like 10 copies of my expert advisors to sell. All 10 lucky people will get that, and after it will be not sold. Okay, so here is my expert advisor. Actually, in my This expert advisor, I have combined two expert advisors into one, but this expert advisor have good accuracy. So first of all, uh, let me okay, so let's go with this moving average filter. These are my own coding, and let's try to apply it on 2K22 to 2K25 backtest. So keep in mind, I am testing with the real ticks, and I will show you the actual results. So first of all, let me show you, these are the few days result, just 7 days result, and it's more than 200%. Actually, it's not updated yet. So we are almost getting 20% each day, and you can see that even MQL5 does not accepted my signal because it looks like it has a huge win rate, and currently no one can beat it. So you can see that only 9 trades, all trades were successful. Only one trade goes loss, but that opened mistakenly. You can see that this profit factor, but of course it's not realistic because we did not faced any loss yet. We are only getting profits, and all these things will be available to you or provided to you. So you can see that we are only taking this lot, and when balance will increase, lot size will increase. When balance will decrease, lot size will decrease. Okay, so this is the real results. You can see that I am using IC market account, and it's 100% automatic system. Okay, last update was yesterday, it does not updated yet. So I hope this is the verified result, and of course it's just 7 days results, and whole month is remaining. I think I will achieve more than 500% in this month, and then slowly I have put even less than $100 in this account, and more than $100 I have achieved only in 7 days and without any SL. Keep in mind that my expert advisor is not any martingale, is not any grid. It has strict SL, it has trailing TP, and all those necessary risk management is there. Okay, so now let's backtest it with the $1,000, and yeah, let's go with it, and let's see which type of graph we will get. If we talk about profit factor, we will get about almost 2 profit factor. Of course this is not reliable because we did not face any loss yet, but of course every strategy have loss, every strategy have winning streaks. So now let's go here. So let's start again. So you will see that we will also get losses, we will also get profits, and all those stuffs. So you can see we are getting losses, we are getting profits, and all those stuffs. So when balance is increasing, lot size is also increasing. You can see that these are also losses there. So losses are the part of the game, but overall your system should have great profitability, and you can see that how much growth we are getting. Okay, so you can see we have achieved $2 million with 2.23 profit factor, and with the 80% short trades win, 80% long trades win, and only one consecutive loss, and consecutive wins are 5. So this is absolutely amazing, and I also proven it by showing the real results on FX book. Okay, so now let's go into the deals section, and here you can see that it has got loss, then got profit, then got loss, then profit, then loss, and all these things are happening here. we are getting profits. So here you can see SL was 231, also previous TP was 206. So this is the power of this system, that it is not 1:1 risk to reward ratio. Risk to reward ratio can vary, depends on the trailing, depends on the market conditions. You can see how much profit we are getting, how much loss we are getting. All these things are part of the trading. Here you can see that these are the profits, these are insane profits. Also we got loss, also we get profit. So these are the profits, these are the losses, all these things are there. Okay, so I hope this has well understood. You can see the graph, you can see the profit factor, and all those stuffs. So how you can get these type of results, how you can go with it. This expert advisor, of course, it's not available with the cheap price because it's a private, and I have done 2 to 5 years of hard work in this expert advisor. So I will sell it for $1,000 for the limited time. So here you can see it has actual price of $1,500, but available currently with the $1,000, and with each sale $200 price will increase. So I will only sell 10 copies. I will not sell more than that. Why? Because strategy is very unique, it has great results, and if we sell on MQL5 or 1000 time, then this strategy will be public, and of course this will not work. Okay, we can easily achieve huge results by using this, and it's very easy to convert $1,000 within 2 or 3 years into millions. But I will convert 100. That's my personal thing. I will combine two different expert advisors, but that's a little bit experimental thing. But this is the safe way. You can use just one. For my experimentation, I will use 3 different expert advisors on one account, and then I will try different settings for that achievement, because I will achieve in very less time. So of course it will took a lot of patience. So this is a limited time offer. If 10 copies will sell, I will not sell it more. I will only work with my real account, and I have shown the my FX book results and all those stuffs. No, it's your choice if you wanted to go with it or not. But I will say that taking risk in your life is very necessary, and if you wanna invest, then invest on some solid things. Don't invest on those creepy and shit martingale and grid strategies which eventually make you lose.
Guys, in this video we are talking about what you are going to learn in this whole course. So this course is basically related to algorithmic trading or algo trading. So first of all, let me go through that who I am and why you should join this course. So here is my xnax account, and you can see my live trades, and all these trades are taken 100% live. If you wanted to confirm, you can go into our YouTube channel, and we came usually live on daily basis, and we provide these type of trades on daily. So here is our YouTube channel, and if you wanted to confirm each trade, you can go here by first stream, and we started this account from 5k, and now it is up 52k, and equity is more than 60k. So all these trades are taken according to our own analysis and according to our own work. Okay, now let's move towards that what you are going to learn in this course. So if we talk about algo trading, then there are multiple expert advisors available in the market, and I have analyzed and tested thousands of them, and even none of them works very well. Some people charge thousands of dollars for their expert advisors, but they show they look very good and awesome in the backtest, but when you will apply it on live market, you are going to lose each and everything. So if you see here, there are thousands of expired advisors available for MT5 and for MT4 and all other stuff. So some you will analyze that some will be available here, and then after some time they will just disappear. Why? Because they will blow your account, and when people will complain, they will definitely removed. And some of are related to martingale strategies. Martingale are simply adding more and more in the losing streaks, and some have very low risk to reward ratio, like 1 is to 10 or something like that. 10 is the loss ratio and 1 is the profit ratio. So if you do 10 trades profitable and one losing trade will wash your all profits. Okay, so there are thousands of expired advisors available, thousands of expired advisors. I have worked on them, and even none of them has become a very good expired advisor which have good risk to reward ratio, like 1 is to 2 or 1 is to 3. So we will try to build these type of expired advisors in this whole course. We are not going to copy any chat gpt or something like that, because those are all neural network based and are history optimized. So you will get good results in the history, but when you will apply those results in the real market, but you're definitely going to lose, because those are history optimized, and all time history is not going to repeat, because there's a lot of movements according to fundamental analysis. Okay, so now let's talk about what you are going to get in this course. If you are a new trader, or if you are expired trader, or if you are intermediate trader, this course is for all type of people. And if you are not familiar with the expired advisors, then this course is best for you. I will say that don't invest thousands of dollars on these shit years, because these years will definitely go on at one specific time. I have analyzed this year many times, and it is just a grid bot, so I will not recommend it here. I have analyzed this CA. This CA has very poor risk to reward ratio, and they are charging thousands of dollars for nothing. What you are going to get in this course, if you are a new or old trader, this course is for all type of people. And in this thing, first of all, we will go from beginners point of view or new traders point of view, and then we will slowly move toward our advanced things. Okay, so in this first module you will just learn what is algorithmic trading and a market overview, why use bots and what are the benefits of bots, what is the best way of using bot, and what type of things you should consider when you are applying any bot. And don't try to buy any bot, because all those bots are not that much good. Okay, so now let's talk about second module, which is trading basics, where we understand market structure, market phenomena, and data analysis, then technical and fundamental analysis, and risk and money management, and all those stuffs. So keep in mind that there is only one way of trading these algo, work in this algo trading, or trade these algos. Wow, because a little bit human intervention, and then little bit your algo, and little bit your fundamental analysis and technical analysis. When you will combine all these 3 to 4 things at the same time, then you can easily work on that. How? For example, there is bullish trend in the 1 hour, and your bot is working with the 5 minute. So you should work with only buy side with the 5 minute if you are getting uptrend, and if you are getting downtrend, then you should only work on board with the sell side. So one specific, going with one specific side, how it is working, you are analyzing technical, you are analyzing fundamental, and then you are little bit interventing your own analysis with it and applying it on the board, and board is working according to your behavior. And if your bot is working with 1 is to 2 or 1 is to 3 is to reward ratio, you are definitely going to win each and everything. Okay, so you don't need it to get any high level work, you don't need it to get high level understanding of high level programming languages. This is just a no code platform, and you don't need it to code anything. You don't need it to learn Python, you don't need it to learn C++ and all other stuffs. We are just doing drop and drag things, and we are building perfect bot for our trading, which will works best for all type of markets. And we will analyze it, and then we will optimize it on the history, and then we will get best results for the live trading. Okay, so these platforms will be explained to you, and then we will design our first board, and first we will define the strategy. Strategy is very important, and if you analyze my portfolio, then thousands of strategies are available, and I will try to get best strategy from all my courses, and then I will try to make a complete trading board based on that strategy with strict risk to reward ratio. Strict risk to reward ratio is very necessary. There is not any available which have this type of risk to reward ratios, and that's very important. And if we achieve 50% win rate with 1:2 risk to reward ratio, then our board will uh, go very longer. And we are not applying any grid board trading, or we are not doing any martingale. And then we will translate strategy into rules, and then building strategy visuals and all those stuffs. Enhancing strategy complexity without codes. We will not use any coding. We are just doing drag and drop things. And after completing this course, you will get a custom free expired advisor which works very well for you, and that code is available with me. I will definitely give you that code. That is TradingView Pine script code, and when you apply that bot in your trading on daily basis, you will definitely earn a lot. We will try to embed these moving averages, RSIs, MACDs, and any other. Then first of all, we will define strategy based on these indicators and all those things, and then we will try to go with some solid strategy. Keep in mind that all those expert advisors which are available in the MQL4 version and MQL5 versions, and they are thousands of dollars. They just give you based on these indicators, and they did not tell you. They will say that they are using chat gpt, they are using neural networks, and they are using all those stuffs, but all these things are just for marketing purposes. They does not have any such strategy, or even such strategy does not exist, because those neural networks are already in the building, and they are just using it for marketing purposes, just to grab more and more people. Like if some people say that they are using chat gpt 3, then of course a lot of people will go there. But reality is very different. They just simply use different indicators, and then they optimize it, highly optimize it on history, and then they will show very good and awesome results in the history, but when you apply it in the live, they will just blow your account. And how they manipulate signals, think, like if we go into this indicator like Sinera MT5, and let's see, click on this signals version. So how this manipulation is happening, or how this manipulation is going. So first of all, if you see here, then floating profit is minus 1194, which is ridiculous. If you are working with the risk to reward ratio, then you should have a strict stop loss. Why there is floating profit of minus 1194? There is no reason, and you can see its maximum drawdown. There is a big red flag, and here if you see, again same thing is happening. Big floating profit is there, and maximum drawdown is there. So they are not, of course, working with those risk to reward ratios. They does not have a strict stop loss, and they are just doing it blindly, and people are just buying it blindly with the thousands of dollars. So what they will do, they will just put 200 or $300 in 4 to 5 different accounts, and even if any one of that account goes very well, then they will just put that account here, and they will say that our EA is working very fine. You can see results, but those results are totally fake. I have analyzed this EA, and I have tried to see their trading history, and after getting that trading history, I try to match it with the back testing of this EA, but of course that's a clear cut lie, and those results does not match. So which means that these are not reliable. Okay, so we will not, of course, let our trades go in the negative. If you analyze my trades here, then none of that trade is going negative. I have a strict SL. So if any of trade try to go into negative, that will be cut by this SL. So SL should be there for each and every trade. Okay, if you wanted to confirm, you can go over YouTube channel, and all other stuffs I already told you. Now let's go here, and in module 6 we will try to test it, simulate it, and we will try to do live in deployment and all other stuffs. So these things and risk to reward ratios will definitely explained, and how you can scale your strategy, and then future of no code trading platforms and all other stuffs, how those platforms work. There are multiple platforms available which give you a little bit automation without any coding, and we will try to use those things. Okay, so hope you have finally made a good decision to join this course, and if you have decided, then must join it. And this course is definitely going to change your trading style in the expert advisors thing. And if you are trying to get any expert advisor, or if you have make your mind to buy any EA, then I will say that first of all must stop and watch this whole course completely. Then you will understand the actual reality of these expert advisors in this whole industry, because there is a lot of scams going on, and people are just putting some EAs, and they are just charging thousands of dollars, and when they will lose, they will just run away. And if you are an old trader, and if you are old expert advisor trader, then you must know these actual realities. Okay, now let's move toward our course.